Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting a solid foundation. Choose a flat stone and clean it thoroughly so the surface bonds well. Once done, prepare small portions of black, white, and orange clay. Condition each by kneading until pliable. Now make two basic body shapes, an oval for the torso and a smaller oval for the head. Press lightly so they sit flush on the stone. Make sure to work on a breathable surface and keep tools nearby for immediate shaping. You'll now sculpt the defining features. First, flatten two wing paddles and position them at a natural 30-45 degrees angle. Press the inner edge to blend with the torso so they look attached. Next, create the white belly patch and smooth it into the black body. Add a small orange beak and two pinhead eyes, pressing just enough to mark them. Once shaped, refine seams with a damp tool or finger. This minimizes visible joints and gives a cohesive, stone-sitting appearance. You finish by curing and protecting the piece. If using polymer clay, bake per package, typically 110-130 degrees C, on a tray above the stone if needed. For air-dry clay, let it cure fully, usually 24-72 hours. Once fully hard, apply a thin waterproof varnish to seal and protect from weather, letting each coat dry completely. If parts lift or crack, reattach with epoxy and sand any rough edges. If paint blisters, remove, sand lightly, and receive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.